Students of the Ateneo de Manila University condemn the attendance of Irene Marcos at the opening of the Ateneo Aretes Amphitheater on April 4. Irene is the daughter of the late dictator Ferdinand Marcos. In a statement, the Ateneo student body says it spoke on Monday with the university administration and Aretes director. The statement reads, quote, "The Loyola School student body condemns the invitation and participation of Irene Marcos in Aretes amphitheater launch. It is nothing but ironic that the Marcos participated in the event of the institution." Plays depicting abuses committed during martial law, such as Dekada 70 and Desaparecidos, were staged at Arete in 2018. A separate petition signed by various students of the university also demanded the university to issue a formal apology for the incident. Ateneo has yet to release a formal statement as of posting. In 2014, Ateneo also drew flack when Imelda Marcos was invited as a guest of honor at a scholarship fund event.